Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. In the fight today I got a multi-lock. I do believe it's the classic. It's a 7-pinner. Doesn't actually have a key. So I have removed the clip already to make it a little bit easier when going. And this was kindly loaned to me by Leighton, also known as Nose Picker on it. If you don't know who he is, please do go check him out, and I'll leave the link down below. Got a full set going on. And it's open. Little ball bearings just dropped out. That must be for, might be something to do with the anti-snap. And you see, all has to be picked. Pin 5 is very sort of shallow to pick. Pin 6, pin 5, bit of a weird looking one, sort of like a torpedo, sort of spool for a driver. Key pin, driver pins, very long spool in one, spool in 2, spool in 3, spool in 4, another spool in 5, spool in 6, and standard still in 7. this will be the same sort of springs. Obviously this little thing is anti-drill. There's a close-up of the pins. So all standard pins bar number 5, which is a spool type, mushroom type driver pin, and all spools from 1 to 6, and a standard stainless steel in 7. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon.